A good evening, guys. Good evening, guys. I did not get time to do it lunchtime, but it's fine. So today I'm gonna show you a date strategy. I think I've done it before, but now I need to also remind you guys about this date strategy. So this is how it works. I hope my volume is fine, because sometimes I do forget and end up muting the volume, especially when I'm in a place where there's so much noise. I prefer just not to put the volume at all, because you know YouTube is very strict. If any song can play while I'm doing the video, it's a copyright, it's not allowed, you know. So YouTube is not like any other social media. It's very, very strict, trust me on that. Okay, so guys, we're gonna be doing a date strategy. So guys, there's a link for WhatsApp that I left in the first comment. If you want to join the group, I've got a WhatsApp group. I've got also the books where you can also study at your own time, at your own pace, depending on how fast you are. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. We're going to start from the 27th. So what you do with this strategy, you use the date, only the date, and with our formula 4.9. I'm gonna be showing you actually a date strategy. So now you see that 4.9, you have to add and say 4 plus 9, you get a 13. Then now your formulas is 4.9 and it's 13. Then I'm going to show you what you do from there. I hope and I think we all in the same space and we will either understand what I'm trying to do. Okay, so guys, you use the previous date. Actually, you use what use the same date for the day. For example, here on the 27th, you say 27 times 4.9. Let us go to the calculator and check if we are correct. So we do this, we say 27 by 4.9. So it's 27 by 4.9. Don't forget to put the comma. Then you get 132.2. Okay, so what you do, you are still on the 27th here. So what do you get? We got 132.2. so if you check properly here, if you add with this code, this is how you break it. It's 132. You say 13 plus 2 get a 15. 13 minus that, you get an 11. Okay, then if you go to your results, you will see, because if you say again 1 plus 32, you get 33. 1 minus that, you get a 31, I guess. Yes, 31. Then if you add everything, you get a 6. Okay, so let's go and check. If you check properly here, we do have a 15 here. We do have a 33 at the bottom. We do have a 23. And then let me see, what else do we have? Do we have a 20? Okay, we do have a 2. We do have okay, we cannot say a 1 is a 10. No, it doesn't make sense. Okay, so do you see, from both lunch and tea, we got, okay, a 6 can spin into a 9. We got a 9 there. We also got a 2 there. So out of all, on lunch there was 3 numbers, on tea there was 2 numbers, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, we had 2 numbers on lunch and 3 numbers on, we had 3 numbers on lunch and 2 numbers on tea. Okay, then we go to yesterday's draw. We say 28 times 4.9. Let's go to the calculator together. So we just change here and say 28. We're going to get 137.2. Okay, then with our 137.2 here, let's see what we have. It's 137.2. So if you add 13 plus that, we get a 20. If we add again, we get a 37, a 38. If we subtract, we get a 36. Then if you add everything inside, you get an 11. Then if we say 7 minus 13 is 5. Okay, so all in all, just check the numbers that we have. We have 38. We have 5. We have a 38 again on tea time. We have a 37. We do have let me see, because if I add these numbers, they give me an 11. So unfortunately an 11 did not drop, but then at least we managed to get 2 on lunch, 2 on tea time. Okay, then let's move on to today's draw. Okay, today's draw, we're going to use the 29. We say 29 times 4.9. let's go and check what we get. So we're just gonna say 29. So we got 142.1. 142.1. So for today it was 142.1. so this is what these guys did. As you can see, if we say 1 plus 4, let me say, if I say 1 plus 42 is 43, which did not drop. So what these guys did, they just somersated this number, because 42 was the banker, it came there, and the 24. And then if you check properly, if you say 14 plus 2 is a 16, which came as a 19. If you subtract, is a 12. So which means also a 19 came there. So if you add up everything, like 2 plus 4 is a 6, plus 1 is a 7. So on tea time, just expect, because they've already if they did spin 42, which means on tea is going to be 1441, and then they spin that 16, they bring the 16 this time, and then they bring the 43, and then if you separate, they bring the 12 or 21. So these are the numbers that we must play on tea time. And then don't forget to split 142.2, or is it 0.1? So if it's 0.1, which means it's 41, 14, 21, 12, 16. Because if I subtract, still it gives me the same answer. If I add, it gives me the same answer. So guys, I think you are understanding now what I'm trying to do on this thing. It actually makes sense. So there's something that I want to actually experiment now with you guys. So it's 28. Remember, we had this other code which is 13. So let's go and add and subtract 28. Let's see, maybe we can be accurate with the bonus strategy. So we're going to say 29 minus 13, we get a 16. 20, sorry, yes, okay. Okay. Plus 13, we get a 42. Okay, so now do you see what I mean? Because this one, it actually shows a straight bonus. Because I did say 29 minus 13, it gave me 42. I mean, it gave me a 16, which came as a bonus ball 19. So if you add, it gave me a 42. So this strategy, it actually works, which means one of the other, since 42 has dropped, it means there's a high chance of 42 again to come. Either on the, I think if 16 comes on the bonus, 42 will be inside. So let's just cross-check from yesterday. If it's 28, 28 plus 13 is a 41. 28, we say 28 minus 13 is a 15. So now it is making some sense to me, because the bonus, okay, which means this one is a bonus strategy. Because what did you do? You say 28 minus 13, it gave us a 15. That came straight on the bonus ball. If we add, it gave us a 41, which was a skip. They did not bring the 41. So if they did not bring the 41, they played the home figure of 41, which was 4 plus 1, which was a 5. It came actually on what? On lunchtime. This is amazing. So guys, I've given you the numbers for tea time. You guys, what you must just do is to go to the pairing app for tea time, then open, change and say tea. So you go to number 16. I'm just going to give you the pairs that we have. You go to number 16, sorry, pencil is behaving there. You go to number 16. If you go to number 16, where is 16? They try, you see now, they did hide the 16 because 16 is coming. This number is a killer on tea time. This one, sorry, this guy is calling his malume now, is disturbing me. 16, 41, 32, 43, 16, 24, 39, 16, 31, 37. Thank you very much, guys.